Looking to break free from Google Drive or Dropbox? Today we're comparing Synology Drive and Nextcloud, two of the best self-hosted cloud solutions out there. Which one is right for you? Let's break it down. First up, we've got Synology Drive. It's built for Synology NAS devices, so if you already own one, setup is streamlined and mostly plug and play. Nextcloud, on the other hand, is more flexible. You can install it on virtually any Linux server, VPS, or even a Raspberry Pi. But with that flexibility comes a bit more technical work, especially if you're hosting it yourself. Synology Drive has a clean, familiar interface that mimics major cloud services. If you've used Google Drive, it'll feel instantly recognizable. Now, Nextcloud, its interface is more modular. It's more functional, but depending on the apps you install, it can get cluttered. Still, it's customizable, which some users will absolutely love. Now, both support file syncing, sharing, version history, and desktop/mobile apps. Synology Drive is great for straightforward personal and small team use. It has Office integration via Synology Office and handles collaboration pretty well, if you're in the Synology ecosystem, that is. Nextcloud shines with its extensive app ecosystem. You get calendars, contacts, video calls, document editing with Collabora, or only Office, and even end-to-end encryption. It's basically a full productivity suite, if you want it to be. Now, both platforms support two-factor authentication and granular user permissions. Synology gives you a secure private cloud, but your control is limited to what Synology offers. And Nextcloud is open source, so you control everything, from encryption to server location. For privacy-focused users, that's a big plus. Now, in day-to-day use, both are stable and performant. Synology handles updates and maintenance behind the scenes, which makes it low effort. Nextcloud requires more manual updates and security patches, but for advanced users, that's the trade-off for control. Go with Synology Drive if you already own a Synology NAS and want something simple, reliable, and plug and play. And choose Nextcloud if you want total control, open source flexibility, and an all-in-one workplace. Either way, you're ditching the cloud without giving up the convenience. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if this helped you choose your perfect self-hosted cloud.